Several recent applications of machine learning are learning to recognize spoken words. All of the most successful speech recognition systems employ machine learning in the same form. Next one is learning to drive an autonomous vehicle. Machine learning methods have been used to train computer-controlled vehicles to steer correctly when driving on a variety of road types. Next one is learning to classify new astronomical structures. Machine learning methods have been applied to a variety of large databases to learn general regularities implicit in the data. Example, decision tree learning algorithms have been used how to classify celestial objects from the second observatory sky. Learning to play world-class gaming system. The most successful computer programs for playing games such as backgammon are based on